Abusia me da say pa ye said down the da wenya bre e de ehwefela o fela e wo attention TV so na wonim say attention TV de ye inspire won na nsam ekoso e wo entertainment industry no mo and ye social issues and politics in there and ye fela o fela so de bebra papa ye na nim say ye de so bra wo de na de no kre na ye kohwehwe mu no eno ana ye de besomo e wo fela o fela so me de ene akosia sparkles na one also Jimede I say a University Foundation. University Foundation I your boss on no be ordin ho ato ho say eh Christo use me. Na wona woni bie ni mobrowa ajanka de. Omuni sere me fa sere enkosha wana no. Na se ono kra intimate and the fa attention TV so e de ma ekuo anase ankona ma ope foundation bi ayo mwa na de University Foundation ana wo de weni e be kire. Obenya no e 05483029850 05483029885 na ensem no na ebedi akotene ne bi ene se abro bi ote ne UK mamu ana se oni Ghana ha ote abonten ho ba bi e de nhira asane efusoro e de abre ye brother Lewin na de munchire mu ebe ban se bebre e kan se me hu na me akosia sparkles me de ebe somo e wo attention TV fela o fela so me twa me ho me basisia Abusia me da se pa ye se wonya brede twa ma me twa me ho se ma ba kope e de e ba ye me de nsam no mu chire mu e be somode a abero bi ote ne ba bi na ye nkasa oni Ghana mamu ha sei asane osoro nhira e de abre kwaku kojon cancer lewena oye mamu ha sei de enim se lewen de otina TVgh na eni movie nko na wo hwa na we fa ofo na se lewena beto so de a na de anya asem kuma kra so ora akokra ya ma broken heart mu be sesokra de a obi de sere e be hwa no na we ana maame no echire machle se okọ ne ba no hono mu no dan ba no sori ananka akọ no nko ambrewa ese bebi a waduri wonyo obi anjeje no okope boy kra boys na omidi ni sika hwe nkomba na ile movie sa no le behwe na so so hwe kojon cancer when movie nko ande ende maame so otime sere a masoro kra epie epa mu kasa maame ada ambrewa da wo peso owu ntama na so sere na asa de ende wo besere ebusia yengotie insurance ma abrewe esane fisuro edima kojo encancer Lorena kojo cancer Lorena so ebe posti e won Instagram page and their man coffee ebe so e posti yengotie insurance mo no emba
kwajo unana magi e maame ya magi a wo Canada ne maame Agnes o se buati wona e kase kwajo anyame adom ni nhira de ne srema wo da bia na me ba ha yi sanye wo a nka magi kwa adwuma na bo achi nso ye na adwuma nka me nko ana mte horo na nso wo mu ya wa yiye no eno ana mde yi mani ti ne sra urade se wo nhira wo ma wo adwuma na wo ye na enye nkoso ade nya ni mwa wo na enwie wo yiye na urade de ne srem se wo nhira wo kese na dum no nhira no wo mfa ma wo dwuma wo ye no suku ya wo wate enye nkoso na enwi awie ye pa na abre bia nso no o ma wo mre wo ho ase abre bia na wo dwuma no nye nkoso na nyame de wo do ho to so a hasiyo nkan enti kwadwo nyame nhira wo wonhyira wo bebre na enko awie ye pa emawo me da urade ase na doma ensa denti amen
me twaso ana de di hama ye na yenim se di hama journalist o ye mamu haseya ai odin sembi abeto dwe fa shatawale ho and then nsema o kan se na shatapa wonim se me ye big fan of yours papa na sanse journalist there and then come from so the branye interview one or two bia sembi pie ye kase bia bena boy ne nsem rapping nsem ni rapping nsem there anka di hama efre shatawale anka wo se shatawale wo di anka wo de o ya de kro ni day na day ni kra so a on be fa ho be 5 minutes na interview no munye ne wa na so Shatawale enya ne sa and the hama cut na other station so no describe Shatawale as a coward ebusia yenkotie ne ade hama nkasa e kan
because my sharing interviews with Bray was a smart guy, very intelligent, and I was waiting to have him here to share with us. Success is now what making how we sit me drew home, because it's not easy for an artist to get to where he is. I wait to achieve all these things. Me publicity for almost like a week, billboards, online. I was with him a night before the Friday. You know, to say we had our own chat. He has a perception, or he feels like I don't like him. I don't promote him. And then I said, me can't then I don't know. But we've been past one concept. Oh, I wasn't surprised he didn't show up, but I was disappointed because I thought he was a man. I thought he's have somebody in the near dear. So if we've been past him, I don't want opportunity to come. Let's sit, let's talk. That's why I show up. All that I can say is Shatta is a coward.
I was near Mijna and also so at Wasotia. You remember her say an actress back no dear. It's a body enhancement, and breast enhancements, and the flat on me yaba and Crawford when they were calling interviewer. Because an sister yata say what was says I will toss a derby. It's what was says sky you will force a derby. What was says sky you will force a derby. And I said then I ain't more. If you say a show one uncle to swa, and so Bayan and say more or tona and has a year who may be a flip out so dear on chat to infuse through ember. Ultimate common punch, then I say right there, a petrol from peplastom, no, so de. I bet don't now quite say grace, Debbie. Now, so actress based on the Donya Pesamin Kumenya and Ontino, or copy more. I was a Felix interview back why ye be son say, eh, na kissa. Ya show tone of flat on me, I say, ya, your face, a woman chrome crown, I want to came out and go for member frame for Crane Bini, or say I in Macoye. Now, we are not Chimuka say, I don't some maba, so Chimuka say, or call taking or spend day over 60,000 Ghana cedis just for body enhancement. Now, we are so I be Pium say, only do so or call body enhancement, no, nay, a dear you know, nay, or woe, and then if you say, or no, Cassan, or call no redeem kakra e ma ne hu se aha and said ye woni nkwanentin ono kokono na ne maame e wo ho a okacha ne maame so de okoba bi na banane maame enim se okoye body enhancement na so nyame adom akwa ba so chire mu so no any patients bako a yenka so ye obi a otimi hotimi turn ntem na so nkofo bi koye body enhancement na banne flatom ne nyama na ya wonya ya we bi a wontimi kra ensori agese obi eso omemu eso ebusa yenkotie kisa kasa na no munsem embrace ya.
My mom didn't know I was going to do my body, but I told her to be home. I'll be back soon. And then I told her, she said, my brother told her I'm going to do surgery. And I said, oh, something like CS. They'll just take the skin here, just my stomach. And she was like, if you make you happy, then you can go. But then in my spirit, I was wishing her bye, because anything I do in this life, I'm like, if I die, okay. If I don't, that's okay. So I was really ready for anything that will happen.
Okay, so going there, you thought
I could die. Yeah, or I could be alive. Yeah, that it was two things. So when I got there, the atmosphere, the hospital, it's not just a small hospital. It's not just body. It's a general hospital. They do everything. You know, they treat malaria, whatever. Before the surgeon is also in there. So the hospital room and everything, and the doctor's attitude and everything, I felt like, okay, maybe I'll be alive. Okay, let's try. I even told them. And the funny thing, before I went to the surgery, they took my phone and told me to give them a number in case of an emergency. I said, are you serious? Will I be alive? She said, oh, but you be good, but sometimes you can be in coma for like 2 hours, 3 hours. Probably you told your family you'll get back to them in 2 hours, so we'll talk to them. But I'm like, okay, I flew all the way from Ghana to Turkey to get this done. I am getting this done. So the doctor said I was so scared. And then the next minute he was like, well, let them give you something to relax. You take your rest, I'll be back. The next minute I woke up, surgery was done. I'm like, oh my God. And it was not easy. What I did was not really easy. I did a tummy tuck. Zion. It's hard to advise someone not to do it because it's beautiful. Because it's just like you working for money and tell somebody don't work for money. The person will be like, are you stupid? Yeah, my body look good. But the pain, if you can't stand it. Hey, even some people in the same hotel with me, they did the same thing. I had to go help them out of their bed sometimes because they can't get up from their bed. They are so much in pain. And I think I am the fastest patient I healed from tummy tuck from the hospital.
Ebusia me gina kisa ensem no so e de fela o fela e de esi wana wasama sna biom ene Natis boutique and cosmetic and there entire a wo pe den na wo pe shoe no designer wana wo be first na so me say de Zara na wo she Zara ne boy do da bra bi wo be say na wo be a me hu pa Zara shoes and as den ne bo onye den kra wo kɔ kra wo simple anokra wo be nya bi e de ato owa ablikuma agape terazo Natis boutique and cosmetic eba cosmetic ne dia opesa honam to so fefe no pimples face no black spot face dia then therefore when you copy mo e Natis cosmetic ebusia me di ene akosia sparkles ma monisha monite fela o fela esumi